Welcome to the 59th video in our series about Unix tools. In previous videos, I have shown you how to move and search in VI. I have also shown you how to insert within a line at the current cursor position or to insert whole lines before or after the current line. That is enough to create a new file. However, once you have an existing file, you will want to be able to do block operations. There are three primary block operations: delete, copy, and move. By default, VI works line-wise with whole lines, so the block operations I'll show you in this video work line-wise. Now, I will show you how to use bookmarks to mark positions, then do those three block operations using the bookmarks. This technique works in any working version of VI all the way back to 1979. So why do you want this block operation? Delete block is used to remove code or text from a document. You could remove a subroutine you don't need, or you could remove a paragraph if you decide you don't need it. Copy block is used to duplicate code. You could copy a subroutine that will be very similar to what you need, then modify the copy instead of typing a whole new subroutine. The last one is move block, and you can use that to rearrange code so that you can move all your global subroutines either to the start or the end of the program. It can also be used with prose, if you're typing some document, to rearrange the paragraphs. Now, you know why you need to learn this. Let's learn the necessary commands. There are actually two techniques you can use. You can use EX commands, or you can do it in visual mode. Since these videos are super short, this video will only cover how to do it with EX mode, since that is simpler and easier to understand. The next video will show you how to do the exact same thing using the visual mode. So why do you want two complete sets of commands? Well, the EX commands are easier to use and remember, but they take more typing. The visual mode commands are faster, but they're trickier for most people to learn. Our goal is to make sure you can do what you need to do, so let's do the simple stuff first. I've got a list here to show you how you do it. You need to turn on the line numbering, so let's do that now. So we'll turn on the line numbering, and you can see it in the left-hand column. It's a little ugly here with the underlines, but that's because I'm using black and white mode. Now, let's try the first one, delete all the lines. So, you see the paragraph that starts on 27 and ends on 33. Let's say we want to delete that paragraph and, line 34, that extra blank line that we don't need, because if we go up, with a K, you'll see we've already got a blank line there. So let's delete lines, here we go, colon to go into EX mode, 27 to 34, and you hit D for delete. Boom, they're gone. Very easy to delete a block. I'm going to press U to undo that. Okay, so we've done the delete. Let's do a copy. Okay, that shouldn't be too bad. Let's copy line 27 to 33, and we're going to copy that after line 41. So after line 41, the set no new, you're going to see this stuff. So here we go. Watch your screen. Look at line 41 and 42. Boom. We just did a copy. So easy. Start, comma, stop, T, and the line you want to go, and you go after that line. If you wanted it before line 41, just use line 40. So 27 through 33, copy, and use line 40. This will go before 41. Okay, we can copy. Can we move? That's the third one. Sure we can. 27 through 33, and we're going to move that to line 50. Boom. You can see that it worked. Undo that. Now, you can also use some magic line number variables. Dollar is the last line of the file. 0 is the line before the first line. And then dot is the current line. So let's try some of that. I'm on line 35. I hope you can see the cursor. So I'm going to say move this line and then this line plus 3, which would give me 35, 36, 37, and 38. I'm going to move those to the beginning of the file before the first line. M0. Boom. And you can see it worked. I undo that. Okay, that used dot with the plus for expression. Let's try something else. Let's go 35 through 38, and we're going to move it to the end of the file. Boom. I didn't even have to know where the end of the file is. I just used dollar. And wherever it is, VI will find it for you. Okay, so we've used dollar, we've used 0, we've used dot, we've used expressions. Wonderful. I'm feeling pretty good. I hope you're feeling good. So let's see what else we can do. Okay. It turns out using those line numbers all the time, it means you have to remember the line numbers. So let's turn those off, and instead let's use some bookmarks. To set a bookmark, you use the K command. And a bookmark is just a variable that holds a position in the file. So let's come up here. I'm on this line that says you can avoid. So I can do a colon. I don't even have to know where I am. I just say KA. And that gives me bookmark A. And then I come down here to this blank line and I drop another bookmark B. You get 26 bookmarks from A to Z. Now, when I want to move those, let's say I want to move that stuff to the beginning of the file, I can say A, B, move 0. Done. And you say, oh, John, that's nice, but I'm not going to move it to the beginning or the end of the file. I want to move it somewhere else. Okay, let's find someplace else to put it. Let's say you want to move it here. Okay, drop your third bookmark C, and then you say, from A to B, we're going to copy it after C. Boom, done. And you say, oh, is that a copy or a move? Come down here and take a look. It's a copy. Okay. And then to wrap this up, let's show a delete. A to B, delete. Done. How do I jump to line C? If I want to jump to line C using EX mode, it's pretty easy. I can just do that colon and say C, and it'll jump there. It knows where it is. So, wow, these bookmarks are great. And in VIM, this is just a VIM command. This is not in regular VI. You could say marks, and it will actually tell you all your marks. Okay, A is line 53, B is line 63, C is line 42. When you use EX mode, it's always in column 0 because it's line-based. In our next video, you'll see column-based positions. But right now, everything's got column 0. That's a little confusing. We know columns start in 1 in VI. So let's turn on the ruler. And if I said 10 pipe, that's in column 10. And the first column is 1. So why does marks show 0? Well, think of it like the magic variable 0. The magic variable 0 is before the first line of the file. The magic column 0 is before the first column to get the whole line. Okay. amazing. We did block copy, block move, and block delete with either the line numbers like you see here or with bookmarks. Either way, all of it in EX mode, all of it really easy. So we're done with this video. I want to encourage you to come back to the next video where I'll show you how to do it with visual mode. And I want to thank you for listening.